Ever wondered how to quickly cook a Mexican taco? Picture this, a culinary tradition steeped in history, a food item so versatile it transcends borders and cultures. Yes, we're talking about the humble Mexican taco, a dish that can be tailored to an array of palates. From the bustling streets of Mexico City to global dining tables, its popularity is undeniable. Its cultural significance? Immeasurable. Well, today you'll learn a quick and simple recipe that will make you a taco expert in no time. Before we dive into the cooking process, gather these essential ingredients. First off, we have tortillas, the foundation of any taco. They're the edible plate that holds everything together. Next up is protein, which could be beef, chicken, or even beans for a vegetarian option. This adds substance and makes your taco filling. Now, let's bring in some freshness with vegetables: crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and sharp onions. These provide a refreshing crunch and balance out the flavors. Cheese is next, adding a creamy, rich layer of goodness, salsa for that tangy kick, and sour cream for a smooth finish. Each ingredient plays its part in creating a symphony of flavors that is the Mexican taco. With all ingredients ready, it's time to start cooking. Now onto the exciting part, cooking. Picture this, a pan sizzling with the irresistible aroma of onions and garlic sautéing to perfection. It's not just about throwing them in, it's about giving them the time to soften, to sweeten, to become the flavorful foundation of our taco filling. Next, we introduce our protein, whether it's beef, chicken, or even tofu for our plant-based friends. This is where we also add in those beautiful Mexican spices, think cumin, chili powder, a touch of oregano. Stir it around, let the spices get to know each other. Let the flavors marry and mingle until they've created a harmonious blend that will make your taste buds dance a salsa. And remember, no one likes a raw taco. So, ensure your protein is cooked thoroughly, taking on the rich flavors of the spices. Once your filling is cooked, you're halfway there. With your delicious filling ready, it's time to assemble your taco. Begin by warming your tortillas. You can do this either on a hot pan for a minute on each side, or in a microwave for about 15 seconds. Now start the layering process. First, spread a generous amount of your protein filling on the tortilla. Next, add a vibrant array of veggies for that delightful crunch. Sprinkle a handful of shredded cheese, which will melt beautifully into the warm ingredients. Finish off with a dollop of salsa and a swirl of sour cream for that tangy kick. Remember, while it's tempting to pile on the fillings, don't overstuff your taco to avoid a messy fallout. And voila, your quick and delicious Mexican taco is ready to be devoured.